This is Shelley Kraft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the Planet MicroCap Showcase 2018 in Las Vegas. I have with me today Salil Dhaumya of Green Mountain Health Alliance, a private company. Welcome to SNNLive.
Thank you, Shelley. Thank you for having me on the show.
Now tell us briefly an overview of the company, and I'll ask you some more questions after that.
We are a low-cost, high-volume cannabis applicant producer in Canada.
Give me a brief history of the company, if you would.
We've aligned ourselves with the First Nations. We have 3 properties. On the first property, we've applied for our application for a 200,000 square foot facility. By the time we are finished with all the 3 properties, we'll be at about 1 million square feet.
In your opinion, what's the market size?
Today we know it's, in Canada itself, it's about $7 to $8 billion between the recreational and medical market. But the market is going to grow considerably over the next 5 years that we know.
Salil, what makes Green Mountain unique?
I think our production model is probably one of the lowest in Canada in our cost basis, in our infrastructure cost, as well as our operating cost. And we are aligned with the indigenous nations in Canada, which not many companies have been able to do in Canada.
Who's your competition?
Well, we have other companies, but I don't think the approach we've taken with our business model that anybody matches that criteria.
What's your background?
I've been in the public company market for the last 12, 15 odd years, and my expertise is in the regulatory environment in financial modeling.
What are some growth drivers for the company?
The very fact that we will be able to scale our production to about 1 million square feet and be able to produce at a high volume in a very low cost environment, because eventually the prices will correct in cannabis, and we'll have a sustainable model for the long term, which many others can't speak of that.
So Leo, let's get your website out for more information for our investor audience, okay?
greenmountainhealthalliance.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, Salil Dhaumya from Green Mountain Health Alliance. It's a private company. I'm Shelley Kraft, this is SNNLive, and we're coming to you live from the Planet MicroCap Showcase 2018 here in Las Vegas. Salil, thank you so much for coming on.
Thank you, Shelley. Thank you. Pleasure.
My pleasure.